Did you know that you can earn gifts from your videos? From the videos you make on TikTok, you can earn gifts. So you don't need to wait for the money that TikTok will pay you from views and engagements on your video. You don't need to wait till you go into box games or you live stream before you can earn gifts. You can earn even from the videos you post on your page. So in this video, I'm going to teach you two things. One, I'm going to be teaching you how to turn on the video gifts icon or the video gifts on your videos, so people will be able to send you gifts when they view your videos. The next thing I'm going to teach you, I'm going to also teach you how to send video gifts. So I hope that after teaching you how to send video gifts, you're going to start by sending gifts to this video, especially if you're seeing this video on TikTok. If you're seeing this video elsewhere, maybe Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, don't forget to connect with me on TikTok, King Joshi. So let's go. The first thing I'm going to be showing you is how to turn on video gifts, so you'll be able to earn gifts from your video, so people can send you gifts. You don't need to wait for TikTok to pay you for your views and engagements. So let's go to the video. So the first thing you need to do, where you see creator rewards program, other programs, various programs. So all what you're looking for right now is video gifts. So you click on video gifts, then you see the button. If yours is turned off, like mine is turned on already. So if yours is turned off, all you need to do is turn it on. But mine is what? Turned on already, so I don't need to touch it, so it's okay like that. But if yours is turned off, you just need to turn it on. I go again, you go to option button, you click on TikTok studio, you go to video gifts, then you turn it on. So I've shown you one way to earn money on TikTok. So video gifts, you don't need to wait for TikTok engagement, you don't need to wait for. So if you, I'm going to show you how you can send these gifts. Remember, after teaching you how to send these gifts, you start by sending gifts to this video if you are seeing this video on TikTok. Deal, right? Okay, so let's go. So for you to be able to send gifts on TikTok, all you need to do is go to the comment section of the video. So when you go to the comment section of the video, at the lower right, you will see the gift icon. At the lower right, you see the gift icon. So let's go. Let's check out some videos on TikTok if we are going to see that gift icon and try to send a gift to people on TikTok. Okay, let's go to the first video. So on this video, we are going to go to the comment section. We look at the lower right corner. This particular creator does not know that he or she has to turn on video gifts. So we cannot send any gift to this creator. So let's go to the next one. We go to the next video. We go to the comment section. Oh, unfortunately, this creator video gift is not turned on. Remember, I've shown you how to turn on your video gift, so do it if you're yet to. So let's go to the next video. Beautiful. So you can see that if you look at the lower right corner, you will see that there's this gift icon there, meaning the video gifts is turned on. So here we can simply click on that gift icon. When you click on that gift icon, you see different gifts, from gifts worth 5 coins to gifts worth 3,000 coins. So one can send as many as possible. I know that if you're seeing this video on TikTok, you're going to practicalize this. You're going to send a video gift. So if you've turned on your video gifts, people will be able to see this gift icon when they view your videos. If you're viewing this video on TikTok, please drop a comment in the comment section if you're seeing the gift icon. And also, you need to drop a video gift to appreciate. So there are so many ways you can earn on TikTok. This is one way. Make sure your video gifts is turned on. So when you do beautiful contents, like for those of you that teach people, those of you that educate people, those of you that entertain, sing, dance, and all that, when people see your beautiful videos, they will be able to what? Support you by sending you gifts on TikTok. If you're seeing this video from any other platform, make sure you connect with me on TikTok, King Joshi. If you're seeing this video, make sure you follow me, you connect with me. If it's on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop a nice comment. So we'll continue to bring more information to you, give you tips on how to earn money on any platform at all. See you in the next video.